All right, so I'm in my Airtable dashboard over here, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to the workplace I want to use. It's going to be Ycode. I'm going to create a base here, and I'm just going to create some dummy tables, product catalog. That's what I'm going to use because I know that has some images, some descriptions, and stuff I can show you later in Ycode. So in this first table, the furniture one, I have some images, a name, and description here, so that's enough. So the next thing I need to do is go to the right top corner over here and go to the developer hub and then find that base. Create token first. I'm going to call it a product catalog. All right. Add a scoop. It's going to be data records read, then data records write, and then I'm also going to need the scheme bases read. Now, if you have trouble with this or you don't remember this, you can always go to our website, Ycode, go to resources, documentation, integrations, and then go to Airtable, and you have this right over here, right? Data records read, data records write, and schema bases read. And then you need to add some access and choose the workspace and the base. So let's go back to Airtable here, add a base, and if you don't see your base here, the one you just added, you just need to scroll down. Okay, product catalog, that's the one I just added. And that's it. Create token, copy the token. Now go to Ycode, your Ycode project, the one you have open. I'm just using this template over here. And go to this little globe here, connections. Click plus, Airtable. Give it a name. I'm going to call it product catalog. And this is where you paste the token in. And again, here it says, remember that you need the scopes, the scheme bases read, the data records read, and the data records write. Add connection. And you're ready to go. Now, let's go to the canvas over here. Here's the home page. I created another page just called Airtable, and all I have here is the navigation and a footer. So after the navigation, I'm going to add a section here and a container. And within that container, let's go ahead and add a div block and another div block. For this div block, I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to connect it to that Airtable. CMS, source, it's going to be Airtable, it's going to be that product catalog. And again, for the base, I'm going to use that first one. Sorry, for the table, I'm going to use that first one, furniture. All right. And I have that div block here. That's because I want to add a heading. Let's go with heading 3. And I want to add a placeholder. Right, for this placeholder, just for this demo, I'm just going to go really quickly and go with width 200, height 200, give it some borders, give it some radius. All right, and now I'm going to connect that image with the data binding here key, and it's going to go with image. There we go. And for the heading 3, I'm going to go ahead and add a name. All right, and now in furniture, I'm going to go ahead and add some paragraphs here. And then what I can also do is in the design of the furniture table, Airtable connection, I can change the, let's just go with grid. Let's just go with 4 columns here. And of course, you can edit everything here, play around with these things, make the images larger, everything larger, make it look beautiful, right? And the cool thing about this is, you know, you can go to preview, and we're gonna need some spacing. We already see that in the preview here, but let's just go open this page here, the preview. This is still a preview. And let's go to Airtable, and we have this pixelated rug. This is your Airtable. Let's go back to my bases here. And the product catalog, and let's change something here. Where did we have that rug? Here's the rug, pixelated rug. Okay, let's change this to brown rug. Okay, now let's go back to the preview. All right, here's the preview. I'm going to refresh it. Look, it's pixelated rug. Look how quickly that changes. And the same thing within Ycode, right? If I click reload, the preview has changed. It's a brown rug, exit preview. If you reload, it's brown rug. So it happens as quickly as that. And of course, like I said, you can, play around with the spacing here to make it look better as you wish, and change everything, change the design like you'd always do. That's it for the Airtable integration. Just a quick overview. We'll have more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.